Good evening, sir.
Hi, Asia, how you doing?
Very good, sir. Oh, sir, did you get my message about Edica South?
I got your message. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Were you able to complete all the questions? How many questions? That's in two questions.
I think I only completed two when it crashed.
Oh, okay. Um. All right. How were they?
They weren't bad. They were pretty easy.
All right. Good job, Daniela. When last you talked to her?
I like half an hour ago, she texted me.
Okay. When last you talked to Henry?
Long time.
Okay. All right. Um. Mikey sent something. Mikey sent something in the group. What was it that he sent?
Oh, I think he was saying it was going to be late, I think.
Or is it gonna be late?
Something like that. My phone.
Uh. Okay. Okay. So hurricane, bad weather. All right. No problem. All right, I give those another 5 minutes to come in. All right.
Okay, sir.
Cool. All right, Asia.
Yes, sir.
All right. How did you do the question? Did you type it out or you did it in your notebook?
Oh, which one? This, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, oh, you sent this question I didn't see. This
Hmm?
was a, I don't remember doing this question, sir. Was it a homework?
Yeah, man. Remember last week when
We
last
did it
week
in
when
class?
huh?
We did it in class?
Yeah, man. I gave it for the last class when me drop asleep. I, I had sent the question and
Oh,
asked you guys to do it. All right. So you never did it, right?
no, sir.
Can you start it now for me, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, my love. And because that's what I plan to do today, just to go through it and just make sure that you are understanding what is happening. All right, then. I'm righteous. If you have any difficulty, you can talk to me.
Okay, sir.
Evening.
Did you attempt the question, Paz?
No, sir, I didn't get a chance to.
No, start working for me, please.
Say again, sir?
Start working for me, please. That's what Asia is doing.
Okay.
Thank you. How is it going? How is it going? Hello?
Oh, sir, I'm at three. Almost finished three.
Okay, good job. The rest of you, how is it going?
No.
Augustino.
Hello.
Moving on to 4.
Good job. All right, no. Asia, since it's only you alone talking to me, how far are you?
I'm still working on 4A.
Okay. Remember, this was I sent you, I think 2 questions on Wednesday. And the plan was for you guys to do it so we can have a conversation about it. So for those of you who are not answering me because you don't do the questions, you need to start working so that it's now, we have 45 minutes left for class. So I need to even do one of the questions. I'm going to give you 5 more minutes, no more than 10, to do the stuff. Right. All right, ready or not? Here I come. Ready or not? I am ready. So it says the number of workers on an assembly line varied due to the level of absenteeism on a given day. In a random sample of production, output from several days of work, the following data were obtained. X is the number of workers absent, while Y is the number of defects coming from off the line. We need to draw a scatter diagram for the data. Did anyone do that scatter diagram?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, but I'm assuming you'd have to use the graph paper for that.
Yeah. But I did ask that you take graph paper though.
Yeah, I remember.
So allow me to just attempt to do a scatter plot. All right, so if I do that, and I say Control N to get a new all right, so new share. What are you seeing? Are you seeing my graph now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, seen it.
All right, good. Oh crap. All right. So my X goes from 0 to 5. And my Y goes from 8 all up to 21. So if I say
So I could do increments of 3 for the Y.
that could work.
Sir, I would say 1 centimeter for 2 by 2 even for a while.
Okay, that could work as well. So if I say 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay. And then now for the X, because it's so that I can spread it out and call it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, call that 1. 1, 2, 3, call that 2. 1, 2, 3, call that 3. 1, 2, 3, call that 4. 1, 2, 3, call that 5. 1, 2, 3, call it 6. Remember, the X-axis don't have to be the same calibration as the Y. All right, now. When x is 3, y is 16. When x is 3, y is 16. Tell me that you agree with this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When x is 5, y is 21. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When x is 0, y is 8. When x is 2, y is 12. When x is 1, y is 9.
Sir, so the line should pass between both. So you have 3 on one side and 2 on one side.
What I'm
That's
trying to do is to get the line of best fit. So how many points you have? 5?
5, yeah.
I'm trying to get the line of best fit. So what I will do is put my line, say, okay, my hand lean.
So, sir, would you connect the last four then?
Yeah.
Will you try to connect the last four since they're almost in a straight line? Or like the first three and then okay.
So you see what has happened now? I have one up top and one beneath.
Oh, yes, sir. I see it. Yeah.
You see that?
So it's
So I
even.
have an even number, right? I have an even number of points atop and beneath. So that will be my line of best fit. Look at that and tell me if you agree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about the rest?
Sir, mine don't look like that.
What do you get?
My second point is up more. Like it's not in line with the middle one.
Your
So like
second line.
my second point from the left, it's up more than being in line with the second.
But one goes to 9. One goes to 9. And that's 9. Because if this is 8 and this is 10, that means 9 is in between. So check your point again. Remember, your x value is supposed to be equidistant. So you can't say 1 space on the x-axis, then you count 2 spaces. So you say that I count from 0, 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. I have to give equal spacing or else the graph is not going to look good. So look at it again, Asia, and then let me know what you get.
All right, so sir, I use the increment of 3 on the y. So my first point is above the line, and my third point is below the line, but the other 3 points line up basically.
Okay. All right. All right, do me a favor. Put off buff. I need to see pictures of it. So send me pictures in the in the WhatsApp group, please? No, so I can have a look at it. Please and thanks.
Okay.
Guys, what is wrong? What is happening? I asked you to send up something to me.
Whenever Michael app,
Uh,
Sir, I
come on,
sent it.
I want to see them. I want to see all of them.
I don't think Michael is it, sir.
That could work to Michael.
Yes, sir, that long pause give me a heart attack.
No, that could work. It's just that it would be a little bit more accurate if you had it on a graph paper.
On the graph paper, yeah.
Yeah. What is important, I'm seeing you went through the second, fourth, and fifth point, and the first and third, it barely grazed the line, and a piece up top and a piece on bottom, so it looks uniform. So that could work. I need to see the others. Please and thanks. I get the feeling that some of you demanded the work, and even after I give you time to do it in class, some of you still not do it. This topic is a must-have. It will come every year.
Sir, mine not coming through properly. It's hard to see.
Um, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6. All right, your axis is correct, or are correct. Two to 12. That's what it says. Yeah. 3 to 16. Yeah. 5 to 21. Yeah. All right. The only thing now, Asia, is that you don't draw the line yet.
Sir,
So
I
I want,
just sent my own.
yeah, I see it. I want to hide Asia. I the plots and draw the best fit straight line.
Oh, sir, so you see how mine and yours is different. The second point, mine is
It
more up.
it is okay. The difference with it is based on the calibration of my x-axis and y-axis compared to yours. But the points are correct. All your points are correct. I just check them.
Okay,
All
sir.
right? When you put a title on your graph, you need to underline it here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So draw the best fit straight line. Let me see it again. Um, okay, because I can. One, two, three. Um, hold on a minute, please. All right, Asia, I don't have a problem with that.
Oh, sorry, say something about my own. I didn't hear.
Is yours is 7598?
If my own is?
7598.
Oh, mine, that's mine, sir.
Oh, that's yours.
I think my own is the one before hers. That
Oh,
she just sent.
7388? Yours is 7388?
7388.
Your phone number.
Haz, talk to me now.
Is the phone number yes, sir?
Yes, I.
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
sir,
sir.
it's
Yes,
true.
sir.
All right. So I don't have a problem with that one. Asia. Where have all right, so 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. All right. All right. I can work with that. Who else? Who's next? Anybody else? All right. Let's go. Determine the equation of the regression line. Anybody determine the equation of the regression line? What was the value of m?
Sir, I got 2.7567.
Very good, Asia. What you got for D?
All right, I got 7.135.
Very good. And your equation is
Y equals 2.756x plus y plus 7.135.
good job. Anybody else got that?
Oh, sir, I never reached so far.
No, but remember, these are from last week,
Sir, man, I have it on me. So with that quickly I try to do it right now. So they're actually reached up out there.
Are you seeing the question?
Yes, sir.
Look at my m, making my substitution. Before we do that though, look at my table
Yeah.
values.
Yeah, so the table is correct for me.
So question, sir. Sir, if I went to the exam and wrote 10 decimal places, would I lose marks or would it be wrong?
I wouldn't penalize you.
Okay.
Just don't round off.
Sir.
Oh.
It's 21. So how can I get 12?
For what?
Why?
For why?
Yeah.
Why is 5 to 21, See there? 5 to 21. It's 2 to 12.
That's the only error.
2 corresponds to 12, but y corresponds to 21.
1, yeah. So 21 square would be there. 4, yeah. 4, 4, 1. Five. Yeah, so this currently.
How stay the rest of you? Hmm.
Sir, I stopped at 4A.
4A. What is 4A? Did it use our equation to predict the number of defects?
Oh, to substitute 4 into the equation. That's what the question is asking, right? I did that and I got 18.1621608.
And that is correct.
Sure, but my last numbers are different than yours.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Add again, Mark. So we would therefore expect 19 defective items. You recognize that was a 19?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, we can't have 18.6, 18.16 defective items. So it's going to be 19. What part 4 says? Calculate the correlation coefficient R and the coefficient of determination. So we need to calculate the coefficient R. What you got for the answer there?
So that one is incomplete for me.
All right. See if you can complete for me now. I just want to make sure that you know how to do the calculation. Quick and fast.
Sir, you can just go back and look a bit to the table myself and have if mine match up the sums. 11, 66, 39, 9, 8, 1. Hold on, my XY wrong. Let me see. I have 256, 464. So why am I get that? Yes, thanks, sir. So this one is over square. Over all square. This one. 100 times
Can you answer yet?
So I didn't check over, but I got 0.989. And that sounds too right. Oh,
Very good. You're on the ball. Interpret that for me now, please. Write your interpretation and assume come and ask you to tell me what it is. Write your interpretation for me on paper. And then I'll come to you. Come, guys. The rest of you hurry, please. We have 5 minutes.
I'm sorry, can you still look to the rest of the questions for a second, please? All right, thank you.
Ready now, guys? So it says the coefficient of determination. What is the coefficient? It's just 1 mark for the coefficient of determination now. Look at how we can calculate the coefficient of determination. It's going to be just r squared. So the coefficient of determination is just squaring r. That says just 1 mark. So 0.98982 square is going to give me 0.98. Check that and see if you got that answer too, please. Coefficient of determination is just finding r squared.
Oh, yes, sir.
Nice. So just remember now, the coefficient of determination is just you finding r squared. When you get the value of r, square that value. And that's just going to be my coefficient of determination. And then no. Final part says, based on an appropriate measure you have calculated in 4, comment on the strength of their relationship between absenteeism and the defects produced. So based on an appropriate measure you have calculated in 4, comment on the strength of their relationship between absenteeism and the defects produced.
So it would have been very strong, being that it's closer to 1.
Okay, I hear you. Anybody else?
Yes, sir, I agree.
What about the rest? All right, very good, guys.
Yes,
This is a
sir.
very,
It's closer to 1, so it's very strong. That's
very
almost
strong.
1.
Yeah, man, it's strong. This is a very strong positive correlation between absenteeism and the number of defected items produced. You almost got a perfect one. You see that? R is 0.9. If you really round it off, R is 0.99.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So is a very strong positive correlation between absenteeism and the defective items produced. Now, let me just make a comment. It's more of an observation. Some of you are not pulling your weight. Some of you are not pulling your weight. I gave these 2 questions last week, Wednesday, when I drop asleep out and finish out the class. I gave you the questions because these are questions that I wanted to do in class last Wednesday. And I was supposed to have a class with you on over the weekend for about an hour, but over the weekend, me sick out. Body tired, man, under the pressure. And then most of you, if not all, came to class without the questions being completed. You can't get maximum points if you don't practice. You have to practice and practice and more practice. So I'm going to ask you, please complete your EducaSoft. Asia, so I'll talk to you a little later. You're Asia? But
Okay, sir.
yeah, man, please complete your EducaSoft. Please complete assigned tasks when given. They will help you in the final analysis. That is it.
Sir.
Sorry,
Yes,
can I
what's
scroll
up?
back up to B quick?
That one? Mickey?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I not get that. I don't know why.
What you get?
Sir, you're supposed to multiply the minus the 2.27 by the 11 first before you subtract it from the 66, right?
I'm going to call Miss Hall Francis. I'm going to call Miss Hall Francis. In Jesus' name, I'm going to call her. And when I call her, I ask a question in her presence. Yes, sir. Multiplication, division before addition and subtraction. So you can't subtract 2.7658.
And then multiply it by the
And then
11.
multiply. That makes no sense.
Yeah,
You have to
I
do the
get.
multiplication first. You have to do the multiplication first. So do that for me and tell me what you get.
I get 30.331.
Mm-hmm.
And then 35, when you minus it, you get 35.68.
Mm-hmm.
And you divide that now by divide it by 5.
Mm-hmm.
You get 7.136.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
And
All
I
right.
wonder how me off. I wonder what the hell that happened. All right,
guys.
thanks.
There was another question, 2015. There's another question. This one now asking you to state the independent variable and the dependent variable. Let me ask you a question. Which variable is independent and which is dependent?
I think the X one is independent and the Y is dependent.
Okay. All right. Very good. Which one of these I put on the X-axis and which one I put on the Y-axis?
Acres, I think, would be the X and the fires would be the Y.
Remember, the dependent variable. The dependent variable. Okay, so the independent variable stands alone. So if there's nothing with the independent variable, you can't get the dependent variable. What I'm saying is, Work versus money to spend. My input will be work, and my output is going to be money to spend. I can't get money to spend if I don't work. Talk truth.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Right.
True.
So tell me, I have fires and I have acres burned. Which is independent and which one depends on something?
The independent will be the fire, and the dependent would be the acres burn.
Everybody agrees with that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So if I don't have any fire, I don't have any burning taking place. So my independent variable is going to be fires, and my dependent variable is going to be acres burned. So you see, all the man I give you the stuff. These are past paper questions. So just work with it. Work with it, and you should be fine. Any questions?
We need to make some correction to that one there.
All right. You did this one, Mikey?
Yeah, but when I get it, I send it to you. The one that I did first.
All right, good job. All right, guys.
All right, sir.
Go ahead,
One
Papa.
quick question. All right. So I've been working on the EduCOSAF pieces, but I realized that I'm still having issues with some of the questions. Should I send them to you via WhatsApp or what?
You can send them via WhatsApp.
So send the code itself or the picture of the question?
It's the picture of the question, so I can go and look at it for you.
Okay.
Same here. I'll do the same.
No problem. What happened in the last, and I think that's why I kind of have a relapse with the flu. I'm doing some block scheduling. So for my calculus 1, the students did their final exam on Friday, and I did the markings over the weekend and pretty much put myself under. I was pushing myself. So the truth is, that's why I said I was in Call Asia. The truth is, I was in malice with my WhatsApp because I really wanted to get there. The second semester for the students doing the block scheduling began yesterday. So I need to get their grades out. So those who failed will know that they can't move on to Calculus 2 because the Calculus 1 is a prerequisite. So I say all of this to say to you that it was just tunnel vision. I'm just trying to get these guys out of the way. Now that they're out of the way pretty much, I can go back and look at those stuff for you. All right?
Okay, understandable, sir.
All right, sir.
Blessings. Take care, guys. All the best.
Same to you.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.